I'm Steve Schloff. I'm the site superintendent for Edward Rose & Sons. We're over at the 24 Bloomfield project in Pontiac, Michigan. We started this project back in August 2019 with site work. We have 2 buildings that are currently occupied at the moment. During the COVID process this year, we've had shortages of materials. We're fortunate. We've been figuring out ways how to get around all this. There's no manual to figure this out. You figure it out each day as you're going along because you got to complete the job. We're currently in the clubhouse right now. As you can see behind me, the pool is in, it's complete. This whole building is done. We are running a business out of here now. We are using a smart lock system on all our entry doors. We have Amazon hubs for our mailing systems. Our floor plans, our design, our furniture, our paint colors are what people like, and it's the future of the company.
Hi, I'm Jen, property manager for 24 at Bloomfield. Couldn't be more excited that we now have 2 buildings that have been completed on the community and already fully occupied. Please contact us today at 24atbloomfield.com. Visit us so we can connect and we can get you settled into your new home.